The rain has just started. It's raining heavily, and this is the view from my place. Enjoying the beautiful view. Well, it's got interesting features.